Fonts. To change the font, select the text you want to modify. Go to the Home tab in the word Ribbon. In the font group, you'll find options to change the font type, font size, and apply bold, italic, or underlined effects. Click on the preferred drop-down menus to select the desired settings. Formats. To adjust margins, go to the Layout tab in the word Ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click on Margins and select Predefined Margin Settings or choose Custom Margins for personalized adjustments. To change line spacing, select the desired text or entire document. In the Paragraph group on the Home tab, click on the Line Spacing drop-down and choose the desired spacing option, such as single, double, or specific point spacing.
Styles. Styles are accessible from the Home tab in the Styles group. Select the text or paragraph you want to format. Choose from the predefined styles provided in the Styles gallery, such as Heading 1, Title, or Code. To modify a style or create a new one, right-click on the desired style in the gallery and select Modify or Create a Style. Insertion of pictures and icons. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture or icon. Go to the Insert tab in the word Ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click on Pictures to insert an image from the computer or online pictures to search and insert images from online sources.